this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have the 2013 Ford Focus, stock number 6572. This ran from the 5th 2011 to the 8th 2015. It has an LW 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory mega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre. Rear tailgate, clear peeling on the spoiler. Right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,